I think when you're entering a certain age of your life where you're also interested in women, like I was like, nobody is looking at me, nobody is like, I'm not wanted anywhere. And I was also entering class 11. I said, now is a time where I need to change things in my life. And if I don't do it now, I'll not be able to do it ever.
And you did it.
I did it.
Did you find a girlfriend at that age?
Yes.
And was that good?
It was fun. She was not girlfriend, like I was chasing her for 4 years.
But didn't go anywhere.
It did go somewhere, but did go at
As you wanted
as
it.
I wanted it to be.
You wanted it more seriously and she didn't.
Yeah.
तो ये बार-बार हुआ आपकी जिंदगी में?
काफी बार.
क्यों?
I think मैं बहुत ज़्यादा पढ़ जाता हूँ. If I want to be with somebody, I would dedicate a lot of my time to that person. But I don't think at that age, she was in college second year, I was in like class 11. Already,
Older woman?
Yeah. Already that age disparity was there. Plus उसका छोटा भाई मेरे क्लास में था. तो
बहुत very smart.
तो आई थिंक उसको नहीं चाहिए था लाइफ में इतना सीरियस. और मैं भी गधा था, मतलब क्लास 11 में क्या ही सीरियस होता.
तो अब क्या है आपकी लव लाइफ?
अब मैं अपने आप से बहुत प्यार करता हूँ.
Isn't that the most important thing?
It is the most important thing. And I think with my past relationship, I realized that if you're not happy with yourself, then you can't be happy in a relationship.
So when you say मैं अपने आप के साथ बहुत प्यार करता हूँ, what are the key ingredients for self-love?
I think finding validation within yourself.
How do you do that?
For me, validation is work, number one. Number two, I love to make the people around me happy.
But that's not self-love. वो तो
For me, self-love is making other people happy.
And फिर also अब you make other people happy और क्या करते हैं आप अपने self-love के?
मैं ट्रैवल करता हूँ. मैं
कहाँ जाते हैं आप ट्रैवल पे?
मैं अलग अलग जगह जाता हूँ. लास्ट टाइम आई वेंट टू बाली टू डू अ स्कूबा डाइविंग कोर्स.
पर बाली में तो लोग प्यार ढूंढने जाते हैं. बोलते हैं ना eat pray love, उसमें they went for love, they went to Bali.
बट बाली में स्कूबा डाइविंग कोर्स थोड़ा सस्ता था, तो मैं वहाँ चला गया.
You do scuba diving?
I did. I got
How deep do you
certification. I've gone 10 meters अब तक. I'm petrified of water. Like I'm petrified of underwater. And
How did you do this then?
I just wanted to do it.
Because I'm petrified. I can jump from mile high, no problem. मेरे को प्लेन से छोड़ दो नीचे तो हंसते हुए आता हूँ नीचे. पानी से डरता हूँ. अब मुझे बताओ please, because I'm dying to do it, but I don't have the guts.
So I did a show called Fear Factor after Roadies, and वहाँ पर I was okay with everything. Jumping off a chopper.
Yeah, I can do all the jumping.
Like I loved it. Once they put me underwater, I panicked. I was like, this is not okay
I have
for
asthma and I keep thinking I'll die the minute.
Yeah, because also like my perception of the ocean is so big. Like
it is
95% of the ocean is not discovered. So I'm like, कुछ भी हो सकता है इसके
dark.
अंदर. And dark, yeah. And then I came out of the show and everything, and then I said to myself that ये मुझे डरा रहा है, मुझे इसको overcome करना है.
Is there a guilty indulgence that you give yourself comfort with?
I'm a sucker for desserts.
What kind of desserts?
Lately, I've been obsessing over Indian sweets a lot.
Which one?
Mysore Pak. I actually learned baking because I love to eat sweets.
What do you bake?
I love baking the red velvet cake with like cheese cream frosting.
तो रेड को कैसे बनाते हो? पैकेज से खरीदते
हो?
नहीं. असली में मैदा वे करके.
मेरी मॉम की ना अभी भी एक फाइल है. And when she watches it, she'll know. उसमें ना सिर्फ pages yellow हो गए, उसमें text भी almost गायब हो गया. So her mom gave it to her when she got married. So she's been following recipes from that only. So मैंने भी वहीं से देख के सीखा था.
And weigh करके पूरा कितना मैदा. You have a weighing scale and everything?
Yes, I do.
How incredible. Yeah. And what other cakes do you make?
I like to make normal basic cupcakes, tea cake, tea vanilla.
Cupcakes?
Yeah.
You make cupcakes?
Yeah.
And you have the molds and everything?
Everything.
Hello ladies, लाइनों पे लग जाओ.
पर खुद के लिए बनाता हूँ मैं, मुझे बहुत मजा आता है.
लेडीज के लिए नहीं बनाते?
नहीं, आएंगे तो बिल्कुल बनाएंगे. The reason I started was because again that girl who I was chasing for a very long time, I was like, how do I impress her? So I learned it for her, and first time I gave a cake to somebody was that girl.
How incredible. So cupcakes, red velvet cake, what else?
Brownies.
with
Vanilla
nuts
tea cakes.
Or without?
Without.
Without nuts.
Choco chips.
Brownies के बाद और क्या बनाते हो?
Vanilla tea cake.
Vanilla tea cake. And what is a tea cake?
It's just basically sponge cake. Mom tea cake बुलाती थी. उनकी रेसिपी के ऊपर tea cake लिखा हुआ था. But sponge cake है normal.
And और क्या बनाते हो?
बस इतना ही काफी था पेट भरने के लिए.
3 trick pony, बस 3 ही tricks.
हाँ.